Rev Obofour, oye Sumsumsore. Obinim, so for Obinim, oye Sumsumsore. So for Beneza, oye Sumsumsore. Adom Sonnie Badu, oye Sumsumsore.
What be this? What be this?
We jam me church and say mun name do Yakupon. Yes, smart. Oye smart and Cameroon. But more the Christo, it will make divert in Christo. 80% of the churches are more Ghana. They are soon sorry no much suit. It means see Rev Obofour the medical court from we saw you soon sorry. Na soon sorry no you want who be brave. Na need you know he has mastered the art to control spirit. When you smart as of for the baby soon sorry you no matter control Obofour no. Mena me catch Rev Obofour etima control ni Obofour no ama ne Obofour na etima tenase ama de ono Rev Obofour be kana Obofour ti eti no de Obofour on ti afie eti de fe no Obofour no. Why do we call him Rev Obofour? Ade ne fe no so for Obofour what ti afie what de ne Obofour di na sie me na man hwehwe ni mu na me de me bia pie Opambour ne Obofour ni di no ne mra no de ma Obofour ne fe no Opambour no. Our Bible, check mommy.
Hello, Obinim, ladies and gentlemen. I want to believe so by the grace of Jesus Christ in I bring you greetings from Canada, wherever you are. Me what this video be me person me de ebraya yi near Abrantia Kwabena Asiamah na near Obey say why exposé bebre of late. They na oye nyina say he's trying to expose omo from who say omo ye Christopo na nso so omo de Sumsumsore to me and I say Obofour to me and e de adwuma na nso so omo share Bible ase and I say omo from omo ho a Christopo and I say Christians and prophets and they claim to be working for Jesus Christ. According to Ajagurajah no we mention some names be and when I ma utie our the intro section no am say wabo obi te say Rev Obofour din wabo obi te say Obinim din wabo obi te say prophet one din wabo obi te say Sonnie Badu enso din am say wabo bobo manfo edin bebre o ka say omo nyina no ye na Obofour to me na omo di adwuma and na wadi kan so abebo obi te say so for Adom chain Duah wabebo ni din dada and also my videos about that. And until so here thumbnail where a video am I that on my YouTube channel and until say if you go to my page my YouTube page now browse it this thumbnail obehunu say video no na wahe niam waka afa so for Adom chain Duah ho na wabeki kan sem so bebre and until my a lot of videos as much as I can and until these thumbnails uhunu e screen so no some of the videos Ajagurajah aka Afrifa-Mensah ho my own videos and until when you check my YouTube those videos na make no na idea no dia o kan nyina ne say amanfo ya wabobo mudin do pese o kire nyina ne say o mu nchera nye a Christopher enye nyame tumi e na o mudi ye niam na o mudi ye no o mu yusu Obofour tumi o mu yusu me fa Sumsumsore spirits no ene Sumsumsore akadie no eno na o mu yusu nenso so no they are not telling people the truth and until he just coming to expose them. And until I may yes video way area for home. Now, Messer say, Obe share area for share ma a bit to Coca, Rev Obofour, share me a binka Obinim, so share me a big inca prophet one, share ma a binka Sonnie Badu, share ma video see a big Coca or Munsa said a bear or move bit my ba out, Abe you mano. Because when I can be a for so far Adom chain Duah home, so far Adom chain Duah wama out, I may no. Or say, oh, you sue Ajagurajah, and a so far Adom chain Duah, and so you sue Ajagurajah, and until Omunina, you sue the same spirit. So for Adom chain Duah, what is some way, or member any response be a meaning say silence means consent. In this video we say wa a foul hono say what here they shall come out and come and give a rebuttal. Bra out never clear ho na oma omo your fans oma omo pe mwasam no omo betime hunu say e no kre ana say enye no kre. I don't know. I wouldn't want to waste much time. No, if I call now you could see some Ajagurajah Kyei. Now, message say if today is your first time visiting my channel, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and drop your comment. Now, Yentimi and Shimbi be together. I want to believe say Obey Yenti. I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
The Ajagurajah movement is considered to be a shrine. A shrine does not mean but we are talking of divinity. A divine presence, and Ajagurajah Obofour, he is divine. Sawaja oye divine. Jupiter, oh ye divine. Benjamin, oh ye divine. Zinzak, oh ye divine. So I need to call my priest a shrine. And every shrine has a priest. Rev Obofour, oh ye Sumsumsore. Mena me catch it. Mena me catch on. Na Sumsumsore no, you want who do bebree. Na ni die no, he has mastered the art ultimate control spirit no. Me na me catch me say Reverend Obofour o ye Sumsumsore on steady o wo Sumsumsore no onnim eto obi sunsum ba kura wo hunu Obofour sunsum ba ya hwe na nkosua obi o ye Sumsumsore bi anase ne heja ye nyi ku ye be power no so sisi because ye dey soldier for na ye aduma eti me see Reverend Obofour de meko court from court me so ye Sumsumsore me na me catch Reverend Obofour etima control ni Obofour no ama ne Obofour na etima tenase ama de ono Reverend Obofour de be ka na Obofour de tie eti no de Obofour on ti asie eti de fa no Obofour no Adom ti de fa ko Obofour ni Obofour no mpe so bebo di din e mo twa de so Obofour onye smart
Sorry.
Etu di Obofour na nsen wejai enka na wo ya so de wo de to so ya hwere ni nkosua na dane wo se nipa na ni adane person to na take over de oye bia wonim enyo noa edenka no timi sisa sebi enyo no wo ya ade na weke no it you can only see it through the eyes where there is Obofour bit message so ni nipa na kasa wo so Obofour ade na ni nkosua etu hwere ni nkosua timi TV so a D4 kwa honhom ba menim D4 kwa de honhom ba peminim ba me honhom ba mu hu aja sorry for the hu ti man chiu mu a won ti ase enye obi onim sa na cheso abiri wo Sumsumsore mu enye obi o sa hwiri na cheso onim Sumsumsore wagimi won D4 kwa wo sa hwiri da won sa so for dum che o hwiri won sa JY adu so for JY adu D4 o hwiri da obi a wagimi wo sa hwiri wo ya akora wo Sumsumsore na sa hwiri
Wa account for na se
ko wa account for na se konfo o ti control and we give me na wo hwiri for and go dey na account it me see mu kan fan Reverend Obofour ye Sumsumsore nti wa ye yie no Obinim so for Obinim o ye Sumsumsore onye smart hwe asofo de bebre Sumsumsore wo no matima control Obofour no oni Obofour na kama na so for Ebenezer o ye Sumsumsore me na me ka kire wo
Sumsumsore
I don't know jiranity
Adom Sumsumsore
onye smart Sonnie Badu oye Sumsumsore onye smart oye smart and kamunu ba mo no di Kristo eto me divert na ni Kristo but o nyina age bofo sem di obi a wo gi bofo djuma di biara oye Sumsumsore o sori Sumsum tie ni ye enti denti ni pakoto Sumsumsore fo die it is believed on na mabofo di nachi ubi it won't come out, but it is believed I was only D4 ni kasa okoto and get because charismatic in so for okoto no because ono onje Sumsumsore ni Sumsumsore or onje see a sorry Sumsum onye ni enti yan koto charismatic ni but even Roman for omi Sumsumsore so ni mu a Roman Catholics the incarnate Roman ni mfa mpaboa nko your baby Sia Pope on Fampaboa wura ho 80% of the churches are more Ghana they are Sumsumsore no moshe suit. Why do we call him Reverend Obofour? I don't know so for Obofour what you say what in the bofu dine si me na men hwehwe ni mu na me de me bia pie to Opambour ne bofu ni din no ne mra no de ma bofu ne fa no Opambour no e o Bible mu check mame onyame Opambour em se Jeremia ba bi check mame e o Bible mu kan Opambour e o Bible mu em se o Jeremia ho ba bia na be kan check mame Opambour it is in the Bible you wo Opambour and you wo Opamago you wo Opamago and you wo Opambour because untimi mfa pane Opambour Ujami me church and say mun name do Yakupon. It is Christo ni so for near friend as sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. And you soon sorry. Yes, sorry, soon. And to soon sorry, Bianca, ye church in the fruit this because we are confused yourself.
I don't see Obinim. I want to believe, say you heard him for yourself. Now, here some are okay, yeah. I am no credit, and I say no credit. Media, I don't know, but I want to believe, say Ajagurajah, AB and somebody be no credit, AB so and AB so and no credit. I don't see said Mekano. My a lot of videos about that. These thumbnails now who was screen soon you know videos are my I want sema waka and who videos and my no. I don't think when you check my YouTube channel now Obo me fancy a David say Ajagurajah Obo Ajagurajah in the search button now ebeyi all these videos are my and I say in some Ajagurajah I can't for amount for him ebeyi ni nyina ba said be a obetimi ahwe na wo dey educate you. You see, we are living in the end times. It is time for us to know omo mo ye genuine any omo mo ye fake. Edi fo bebre na aba enkomhye fo bebre na aba amanfo bebre na from say omo ye akrisofo asofo enkomhye fo enom ne ade nyina. It is time for us to know omo ye genuine. Na dia Ajagurajah ken eno nche say or you right and I say or you wrong. Media na metimi aya ne say me the information beba me the ba now also so work your own research, so you to go and do your own research. Don't just swallow what I'm telling you, and I say don't swallow what Ajagurajah is saying. Go and do your own research. Media, I know say there are certain things be on man it mean correct obiti say Opambour prophet one say I really doubt pass say a bit man correct say Ajagurajah bit me aka say ordination Sumsumsore to me anything Ajagurajah. There's so no so my video about that thumbnail no ena ewo ho no in sama Ajagurajah ekafa Opambour prophet one ho and also so thumbnail ni enti and also so when you go to my YouTube page and you check it out obehu and also ho. It is time for us to defend Jesus Christ. Asemo ya ye don't let emotions come in. Kindly use critical thinking, do your own digging, do your own research. Now also so per evidence no say ayeno kre and I say enye kre na media dey hear me kase pa ne say sankofu ya Ajagurajah abe label womi and I say what be label such accusation against them no. I want them to come out. Obinim, Opambour, Sonnie Badu and Rev Obofour the person mu nyina mo ba out some saka say video we nko adia and I say amanfo share e de bremo the person mo ba out na mo be defend mo ho say asema Ajagurajah kan no kre and I say no kre say the be ya madofo and mo fans omu ren ho and I say omu trimu enyo omu entanta. So I will really appreciate it if you guys can come out and come and defend yourself in public. And wait na me pesa meka na message say if today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment na yintimi sua bibi together. Na say na meka no share ma foforo so share ma foforo na yinina yintimi sua. We shouldn't keep the knowledge to ourselves. It is like akwatafo for bi na nyankopon ema omukonya nsenkyerene ewo omatamfo camp no omukoye na aduane bebree ho after the almost say why should we keep this to ourselves, because there are many people inside the city omu here aduane inti Bible say akwatafo yi omu fa aduane ne bi na omu de ba fie na omu san akwaka kire omu say hey aduane ebu na amanfo koye omu kofa aduane ne bi. I don't know, I want you to be like that because that is what I have done. Minya aduane no na me say me de bra mu nyina na mu nyina motimedi say de be ya ye nyina ye de betu ye hofo na ye timedi asua de say de me kan no. Don't believe human beings. Don't just swallow whatever you hear because enipa betime twantro enipa bi nye mame kan isa because enipa nyina na enye enipa bi ye good na enipa bi nye ebi betimi afrimu entro aka entro atrosema onim from the head to the tail, like the person doesn't know anything about wo and so betime twantro e de atoso. I don't know betimi aba say Ajagurajah entro na wo twa e de ato sankrofo yi so. I don't know me person omuso ba out no mo ba be defend you omo ho say de be ya enema anase bibia betimi akotote. I don't know, this is what I want to say. Until we meet again, take good care of yourself, love the Lord Jesus Christ with all your heart, and love fellow human beings. Thank you very much. Bye.